How to delete your old Instagram account without password or username. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily delete your old Instagram account without password, email, or phone number. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to our channel. Also turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. So what you basically want to do is, first of all, open up your Instagram and make sure that you are logged into your account. And after that, you're just going to head over to the Explore tab to search for your old account. Now here you can just simply search for your account right here. So this is the account that I want to delete, that I no longer have access to. So what you basically want to do here is tap on the three lines at the top right corner and then tap on report. And once you have done that, here you can select the reason for report. It may have been hacked. You could use this, or you can choose they are pretending to be someone else, and then choose as me because this is my own account. And after you've done that, it will be reported to Instagram, and you can ask your friends to do the same because the larger the number of reports, the quicker your account will be deleted. Now, Instagram, after a few days, will ask you the reason to delete or why you reported the account, and you can tell them the reason that this is your old account and you'll no longer have access to it. So that's how you can delete your old Instagram account without password. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.